Hello everyone. Welcome to PlanArty's channel. Thank you for joining our tutorial on project breakdown. All the tasks related to your projects will be found here. Select the project that interests you, and all the activities included in it will be displayed. For example, the planned ones, the task you are currently working on, and you can even choose to see the ones you have already set as done. To enter a new task in the timeline of your project, click the New Quotation, To Do button. Complete the description. Set the start date and time, as well as the time you allocate to this task. Select the activity, then save. The new task will be included directly in the project timeline. Once the project breakdown is complete, export it and use it however you want. You can even make it available to the client, so that he knows exactly what the timeline of the project looks like. All scheduled tasks are also available both in the calendar and on your to-do list. It's really that simple and efficient to use PlanArty's project breakdown. Thank you for watching our tutorial.